Have you heard of PISA? A survey called PISA, P-I-S-A. It's called Program for International Students Assessment. 74 countries participated in this survey of 15-year-olds to measure the educational outcomes at the age of 15. What would be your guess about India's ranking? Out of 74 countries, this includes rich countries and countries like us, many emerging economies, etc. Make a guess, what would be India's rank? Anybody? Okay, you're not very optimistic, 65 to 70. Those who believe it would be somewhere in the top 10, please raise your hands. Okay. Those who believe it will be somewhere in the top half. Obviously, those who raised first also must be there, right? All right. Those who believe we're in the bottom half. Those who believe we're in the bottom 10. Bottom 5. Okay, do you know what India's rank is? 73rd out of 74 countries. 73rd out of 74 countries. Do you want to know which country is below us? Okay, there's only one country below us, obviously. Anybody has an idea? It's a country called Kyrgyzstan. The Kyrgyz Republic, which is a Central Asian republic, erstwhile Soviet Republic. When Soviet Union broke up into 15 fragments, this is one of the countries in Central Asia, one of the 5, north of Afghanistan in Central Asia. Luckily for us, that country also was included in the survey. Here are 3 figures. Can you all see? The top one is a rectangle with 10 units as the base or length, 6 units as the height or width. Another is the step ladder, kind of the steps, but base of 10 units, height 6 units, but in the form of steps going up and down. The third is a parallelogram with a base of 10, height of 6. Now tell me, which one has the most perimeter, the longest perimeter? How many would say the first one? Okay, those who believe steps. Second one? Okay, third one? All 3 are equal? The reason why I asked this question is, this is one of the questions asked in the PISA survey. What is the perimeter of the first figure? 32 units. Look at the second figure, the base is 10 units, right? Take all the vertical limbs going up, just take only the vertical components going up, how much? Total? 6. Take the vertical components coming down, take the parallel components or horizontal components on a standalone basis. What's the perimeter? 32. How many of you answered that that is the longest one? A significant number, right? And look at the parallelogram. 10 is the base, 6 is the height, but there are slanted sides. Therefore, the slanted side would be more or less than 6. Therefore, perimeter is? This is one of the questions I asked, and most Indians answered the steps. That's the reason why we are 73. Not because of this one question, this is just a sample. Now, we all know this, right? It doesn't take more than 30 seconds to get an answer. But we don't apply our mind. If you're asked what is the perimeter of a rectangle, twice length plus breadth, or 2 lengths plus 2 breadths, right? Or area of a rectangle, length into breadth, or something else. I mean, these things we're very good at. But application of even this elementary knowledge, which should be a 7th grade affair, we're not good at it. That's the reason why India languished.